It is Wednesday, January 31st, 2018. ASX 200 recap. Okay, so my previous analysis, which I believe was Monday for the ASX, was round this. I think at the time the ASX was around 6,043, and I said it had a bearish structure to it, and if it broke this timing angle, I was looking for a test of 6,000, which ultimately proved to be valid. So, and I did say look for buying to come in around the 6,000 because it proved valid before on this last swing up, which this morning it proved to be the case. Straight away it was open lower but automatically was bought into. Now, keeping in mind it is the 31st today, it's the end of the month, and I believe that this move from the low of 578 to the closing high of 643, so we're looking at 60 odd points, is pretty impressive for the ASX 200, given that the Dow Jones closed down 300 odd points. But I do believe this is end of the month window dressing, so I'd be interested to see what happens during tonight's session on the Dow Jones leading into tomorrow. Given that it's come back up and met this timing angle, it's currently been rejected off that. So if that's a confirmation rejection, this could start to roll over and move lower again. Now, I'd be looking for, upon that, I'd be looking for to take short positions. So I'm just waiting to see how this 4-hour candle, we still have over 2 hours of that before that candle closes out, to see if that proves valid. So I'd be looking to maybe take short positions from there. As far as patterns concerned, depending on, with my analysis of the Dow Jones and the exhaustion gap, and if we do get further selling on the US markets, we could have a very bearish ABCD pattern where the move into the pattern that's corrected. So we've got possibly a corrective wave here. Copy that arrow from the top. We could be looking at prices around 5,934 area if we do get further selling on the US market, which will add pressure to the ASX 200. So for the moment, I'm still leaning towards bearish, a bearish move. I'd be waiting to see how this candle closes out. If it closes below this timing angle and it's rejected from it, and if that's the case, I'll take short positions. And that's my update for the ASX.